Yes. Om Guru Namaste. My identical students, the podcast are discussing about the Excel and mind. Okay? Coming to a career again in the motor and nomenclature for complementary activities. Okay? Complementary means what? 90. Okay? Complementary means what? 90 degrees. Okay? Complementary means 90 degrees. Supplementary means 180 degrees. Okay? Supplementary. Okay? Supplementary means 180 degrees. Okay? 180 degrees. So, supplementary means 180 degrees. Okay? Supplementary means 90 degrees. Okay? So, we are going to discuss today about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay? Now, let us discuss about that. Okay? Now, to obtain the trigonometric ratios for complementary angles, first of all, you have to take a right angle triangle. Okay? Now, take one right angle triangle ABC. Take one right angle triangle ABC. Okay? A, B, C. Okay? Now, angle B equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Now, I am assuming that angle C equal to theta. Okay? Into what? That angle BCA equal to theta. Angle BCA equal to theta. Okay, now apply the angle property for this triangle. Angle property means what? Sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, that apply now for this triangle ABC. Okay, in triangle ABC, angle BCA plus angle BCA plus angle BAC. Okay, angle BAC plus angle ABC equal to 180 degrees. Okay, sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That is nothing but angle property that you are in your ninth class. Okay, now see angle BCA equal to theta. So substitute angle BCA equal to theta plus angle BAC we don't know. So angle BAC equal to angle BAC. Okay? Now angle BAC plus 90 degrees. Okay? 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Okay? Now, why 90 degrees into angle ABC, angle B is a right angle. Right angle is nothing but that is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Now, you have to find the value of angle BAC. Okay? For that, we are writing as theta plus angle BAC. Angle BAC. IBS equal to 180 degrees minus 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. Okay? Now, theta plus angle BAC equal to angle BAC equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90. Okay? Equal to 90 degrees. Now, angle BAC equal to angle BAC equal to 90 degrees minus theta. Okay? Into what angle A equal to 90 minus theta. And degrees minus theta. Okay? This already we are discussing relationship between two unknown angles in the right angle triangle. That is nothing but theta 1 by theta 2 equal 90 degrees. Okay, in the interaction of trigonometry we are discussed. So the same concept we are applying here. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to find the trigonometric ratios for the both angles. Okay, for the both angles you have to find the trigonometric ratios. Okay, in terms of sides. Okay, now let us find out. Now let us find out for angle BAC equal to BAC equal to 90 degrees minus theta. Okay, angle BAC equal to 90 degrees minus theta. Okay, here 90 degrees we got the sum of two angles. Okay, that's why only the name is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, meanwhile what a complementary angle is? Any two angles, sum of any two unknown angles is 90 degrees. Then the two angles are known as complementary angles. Okay, if the sum of any two unknown angles is equal to 180 degrees, then they are known as complementary angles. Okay, so according to that concept, complementary angles means sum of two angles. So theta with angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so theta 1 by theta 2 equal to 90 degrees. Okay, now for angle B is equal to 90 degrees minus theta, you have to find the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, now find 90 degrees minus theta. Find 90 minus theta. Okay, find 90 degrees minus theta. Okay, why? And EPH is known first. Okay, so in the place of A we have to do 90 minus theta. Okay, if this is not given, we can write it as sin A. Okay, now sin 90 minus theta equal to what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, what is opposite side? BC. BC by AC. Okay, BC by AC. BC by AC. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, now next cos 90 degrees minus theta. Cos 90 degrees minus theta equal to cos 90 degrees minus theta equal to what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So AB by AC. AB by AC. Okay. Next, this is equation number 2. Okay. Now tan 90 degrees minus theta. Tan 90 degrees minus theta equal to what? Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? BC by AB. BC by AB. Okay? BC by AB. Okay? Now, cot 90 degrees minus theta. Cot 90 degrees minus theta. Okay? Cot 90 degrees minus theta equal to what? Adjacent side by opposite side. Means AB by BC. Okay? AB by BC. Okay? Now this is equation number 3. Tan 90 degrees minus theta equal to BC by AB is equation number 3. And cot 90 degrees minus theta equal to AB by BC. This is equation number 4. Okay, next, sec 90 degrees minus theta. Sec 90 degrees minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta equal to what? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. So AC by AB. Okay? AC by AB. AC by AB. Next, this is equation number 5. Okay, now cosec 90 degrees minus cosec 90 degrees minus theta. Cosec 90 degrees minus theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. So AC by BC. Okay? AC by BC. AC by BC. Okay? Now this is equation number 6. Okay, now for angle A equal to 90 degrees minus theta, we are defining all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now, in the same way, we have to define all the trigonometric ratios for angle BCA equal to theta. Okay, now we have to define. Okay, now we have to define for angle BCA. For angle BCA equal to theta. For angle BCA equal to theta. Okay, for angle BCA equal to theta. Sin theta equal to what? Sin theta equal to AB by AC. Okay, AB by AC. Why? Angle C equal to theta, opposite side equal to AB, adjacent side equal to BC, and hypotenuse equal to AC. Okay? So according to the definition of sin theta, opposite by hypotenuse. So AB by AC. Okay, sin theta equal to AB by AC. AB by AC. Okay? Now this is equation number 7. Okay, now cot theta. Cot theta equal to BC by AC. Okay, adjacent side by hypotenuse. BC by AC. This is equation number 8. Okay, now tan theta. Tan theta equal to AB by BC. Tan theta equal to AB by BC. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side by adjacent side. AB by BC. Okay, this is equation number 9. Okay, now cot theta. Cot theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side. That is nothing but BC by AB. Cot theta equal to BC by AB. BC by AB. Okay, BC by AB. Okay, this is equation number 10. Now, sec theta equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, sec theta equal to adjacent hypotenuse by adjacent side. So AC by BC. AC by BC. AC by BC. Okay, this is equation number 11. Okay, now cosec theta. Cosec theta equal to what? Hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay, cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. So hypotenuse is equal to AC. Okay, AC by AB. AC by AB. Okay, AC by AB. AC by AB. Okay, this is equation number 12. Okay. Okay. Any doubt? I hope you don't have any doubt. If you have any doubt, come to school and clarify your doubt. Okay. Now we are moving to the next concept. Okay. Now the article concept we will going to start. Okay. Now the article concept of the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles are going to start. Okay. Observe the two equations carefully. Okay. Sin 90 minus theta equal to BC by AC. BC by AC. Okay. Cos theta equal to BC by AC. All are equal. So H's will be equal. Yes or no? So sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Equal to cos theta. Okay. How many equations? 1 and 8. Okay. Okay, now the actual conversion of trigonometric ratios from one trigonometric ratio to another trigonometric ratio we taught now. Okay, so sin 90 minus theta equal cos theta. Okay, now cos 90 minus theta equal to AB by AC. Okay, sin theta equal to AB by AC. All is equal. So h will be equal. So cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta equal to 90 degrees minus theta equal to cos 90 degrees minus theta equal to sin theta. Okay, हम कहेंगे 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Okay, now tan 90 minus theta BC by AB, cos theta BC by AB, both are equal. So tan 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, tan 90 degrees minus theta equal to cot theta. Okay, how many equations? How many equations? 3 and 10. How many equations? 3 and 10 we get tan 90 degrees minus theta equal to cot theta. Okay, now see, cos 90 minus theta equal to AB by BC. Okay, tan theta equal to AB by BC. So what? AB by BC, AB by BC. Both are equal in RHS. So H will be equal. So cos 90 degrees minus theta equal to tan theta. Okay, cot 90 degrees minus theta equal to cos 90 degrees minus theta equal to tan theta. Okay, how many equations? 4 and 9. How many equations? 4 and 9. Okay, now see here, take 90 degrees minus theta, AC by AB. Cosec theta equal AC by AB. So take 90 degrees minus theta equal to cosec theta. Okay, take 90 degrees minus theta equal to sec 90 degrees minus theta equal to cosec theta. Cosec theta. Cosec theta. How many equations? 5 and 12. Okay? How many equations? 5 and 12. Okay? Now, here last one, cosec 90 degrees minus theta equal to AC by BC. Sec theta equal to AC by BC. AC by BC, both are equal. So, cosec 90 degrees minus theta equal to sec theta. Okay? Cosec 90 degrees minus cosec 90 degrees minus theta equal to sec theta. Sec theta. Okay, how many equations? 6 and 11. How many equations? 6 and 11. Okay, 6 and 11. Now, these are the relationship between the trigonometric of complementary angles. Okay? Now we have to care about the logic logic behind this concept. Okay? This is the actual proof. This is the actual relationship. Actual proof of relationship. Okay? In your exam, he can ask, create a relationship between two unknown angles of a right angle by using trigonometric ratios. Then you have to do this. Okay? Now, in doubt, if you are in doubt, come to school and clarify your doubt. Okay? Very, very important one. Okay, now look at the board. Sin theta, cos theta. Okay, now sec theta, cosec theta. Now tan theta, cot theta. Okay, these are 16 trigonometric ratios. Okay, now tan theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cot theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, 50 equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, now cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay, now tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Okay, now cot theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, now although this equation, here we can get one doubt. Why sin theta changes in why sin theta is converted into cot theta? Okay, look at here. Sin theta opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, cot theta adjacent side by hypotenuse. So here denominators are same. Okay, means what? Denominator values of sin theta and cot theta are same. Okay, so sin theta will be converted into cot theta and cot theta will be converted into sin theta. Okay, why denominators of sin theta and ratios, denominators present in the ratios of sin theta and cot theta are same. Why denominators are same in cot theta and sin theta? Because both sin theta and cot theta are defined from only one triangle. Okay, both cot theta and sin theta are defined from only one triangle. Now, get now we shall know the diagram. Okay, on that only we are defining the sin theta and cos theta. So hypotenuse will be equal no. So that's why cos theta is sin theta changes into cos theta and cos theta changes into sin theta. Okay, now sec theta will be converted into cosec theta. Why? Because the numerator values are same. Okay, here denominator values are same. So sin theta and cos theta are converted to each other. Okay, now here see sec theta, cosec theta. Hypotenuse by adjacent side and cosec theta hypotenuse by opposite side. So hypotenuse, both are equal. So sec theta will be converted into cosec theta and cosec theta will be converted into sec theta. Okay, now tan theta opposite by adjacent side, cos theta adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, these two ratios are opposite to each other. Okay, why? Because tan theta into cos theta equal to 1. That we have seen in our theorem number 1. Okay, so tan theta into cos theta equal to 1 now. So both ratios are reversed to each other. So tan theta will changes into cos theta and cos theta will changes into tan theta. Okay, in this way we can remember sin theta. What it will be converted cos theta? Why? Hypotenuse in denominator. In this way we can remember the conversion of ratios by using complementary angles. Okay, sin theta will convert into cos theta. That's why sin 90 minus theta equals cos theta. Okay? Next, cos theta will be converted into sin theta. So cos 90 minus theta equals to sin theta. Okay? Tan theta will be converted into cos theta. So tan 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay? Cos theta will be converted into tan theta. So cos 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Okay? Now sec theta will be converted into cosec theta. Okay? So sec 90 degree minus theta equal to cosec theta. Okay? Next, cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta. Why cosec theta will be converted into sec theta, vice versa. Okay, sec theta will be converted into cosec theta. Then what today was cosec theta will be converted into sec theta. Why? Numerator values are equal. Okay, this is about the concept of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. In the next class, we can discuss about the trigonometric ratios for all angles. Means what? From 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Okay? Thank you.